Hi guys, today I'm going to tell about top tips and tricks for new iOS 14. Here are the best iOS 14 tips and tricks. First of it is make use of your home screen. Apple has completely revamped the way of the access the home screen on iOS, leading us to start our list on the best iPhone tips and tricks for iOS 14 with description of the change on the home screen. Firstly, you can now remove application from home screen without actually deleting the app itself. Simply hold an application thumbnail and you will see the option remove app home screen and delete permanently. Second is play with the widgets. Firstly, the widget can be moved anywhere on your home screen page now. You only need to long press on your home screen to open the settings and click the plus sign to see the available widget. This widget will prove useful to show you clear information right at the first glance. Third, use the picture in picture mode, a treat for a new multitasking iOS 14 stream